Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this custom sign for an Etsy order. The full supplies list is in the video description, but we cut, drill, and stain these pieces ourselves. First, we need to find the perfect mountains. Since I have a subscription, I am starting on Creative Fabrica and searching for hand-drawn mountains. These are the ones I ended up using, and they are an SVG file, so it's super easy to use with programs like Cricut and Silhouette. So I just get that downloaded to my computer and then upload that to Cricut Design Space. Just click on the Upload tab and then upload an image. Since it's an SVG file, you won't need to remove any background. It is already ready to cut. So you'll just insert the mountains to your canvas, then pick out the one that you want to use. Normally I just insert a box and slice that part out, but you'll see here that currently that option does not pop up. So you'll need to weld the image together, then you'll be able to slice it out. You can also hide each of the mountains that you will not be using by clicking on the eye icon on the very far right, but sometimes that takes more time than just slicing it out. Once you have the mountains separated, just delete the rest, and then to size this for my wood board, I insert a placeholder the same size and eyeball the design on top of that. Then you'll need to insert your text and change it to whatever font that you want. For this project, I'm using Burson Dream Trio. It's one of my new favorites, also from Creative Fabrica. So if you guys are interested in a subscription, I will leave the link below and also a discount code for you to get 30% off. Once you have the mountains and text where you want it, erase the placeholder box and weld or attach your mountains and the lettering together. This will make it cut as one decal. I am using Oracal 651 as usual. It is my all-time favorite vinyl for stained wood signs. I let my Cricut maker cut the vinyl and then I weed my project. So I'm just going to weed my project and then apply the transfer tape on top of it so I can peel it up off the backing and onto my wood piece. So I'm going to be using my Craftopia scraper. This is one of my favorite tools to use for wood pieces because it has that soft side on there, so it's not going to create any like scratches or gouges in my wood piece. Just peel up the transfer tape and then add your string to it so you can hang it. Most of the time I use a jute string or some sort of twine for this, and then I usually include extra for these orders just in case they actually have to loop this on like a backpack or the back of their chair or something like that. And there we have it. I really hope that this tutorial helped in designing your own signs, and please let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. I try to reply back to everybody. But thank you guys so much again for watching this. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe if you aren't already. See you soon.